In this video, we will be demonstrating the Archive and Restore utility for the Oncology Information System. The Archive and Restore utility will allow the user to manually archive or restore patients in the OIS, so the patients are no longer displayed. To use the Archive and Restore utility, the user must have the appropriate privileges. The Archive and Restore privileges are defined in the User Management section of the OIS utilities. As you can see, we have a patient named Jane Doe. Let's say we want to archive her. To begin, select the Panther button in the upper left corner of the screen and select Archive, Restore. The Archive, Restore window will display the current patient list and the archive patient list. To archive the patient, simply select the checkbox next to the patient or patients, then click on the Archive button. As you can see, the patient has been moved to the archive patient list and is no longer displayed in patient management. To restore the patient, simply select the checkbox next to the patient or patients, then click on the Restore button, and the patient will be moved back into the current patient list and is once again available in patient management. In addition to manually archiving patients, the user can configure the Auto Archive option in the OIS Configuration tool under the General tab. Additional information on the Auto Archive function may be found in the Utilities Overview video. Thank you for watching.